Good morning, dear students. In continuation with the chapter Integers, let's practice today some questions related to addition and subtraction of integers. But before that, let's brief up the rules. While adding positive and negative integers, if both the integers have got positive sign, then their mode of operation will be addition and the answer sign will be also plus. If both the integers are negative, then the mode of operation will be again addition, but now the answer sign will be minus. And if both the integers have got opposite signs, then their mode of operation will be subtraction. And we will assign the sign in the answer of larger integer. While subtracting positive and negative integers, if both the integers have got positive sign, then their mode of operation will be subtraction and we will assign the larger integer's sign in the answer. Now, if both the integers are negative, then again the mode of operation will be subtraction. And here again the answer sign will be that of the larger integer. Now, if the first integer is positive and the other is negative, then we will have to add them and the answer sign will be positive. But if the first integer is negative and the second integer is positive, then again we have to add it. But now the answer sign will be minus. Now let's start the first question. We have to evaluate plus 15 plus minus 11 minus plus 5 minus 7. Now we know the rules that plus minus becomes minus and minus minus becomes plus. So our equation becomes 15 minus 11 minus 5 plus 7. So here we will add up the positive integers and negative integers separately, and then we will subtract them. So we add 15 plus 7 and we get 22, and we add 11 and 5 we get 16. Now we will subtract 16 from 22 and we get the answer plus 6, or you can write simply 6. Now in the second question, again we have to evaluate this equation. Minus 72 plus minus 93 minus 85 plus 78. Now again the same rule, plus minus becomes minus and minus minus becomes plus. So we get minus 72 minus 93 plus 85 plus 78. Again we will add up all the positive integers and negative integers separately, and then we will find the answer. So we get minus 165 plus 163 and we get the answer minus 2. Now here the sign of the answer is minus because the larger in 165 and it is having the sign minus. So the answer becomes minus 2. In the third question again we have to evaluate, and in the same way we get the answer 12. In the fourth question we have to subtract minus 17 from 25. So we will write 25 minus 17. And now as two minus signs are coming together, they will get converted to plus sign. So we get 25 plus 17 and the answer is 42. Now in the fifth question, the sum of two integers is given, that is minus 30. If one of them is 15, we have to find the other. So let the other integer be x. The given integer is 15 and the sum of two integers is minus 30. Now we know that sum of two integers is equal to x plus the given integer. So the value of x can be determined by subtracting the given integer from the sum of two integers. So we get minus 30 minus 15. So now if two minus signs are there, then means we have to add them and assign the sign of minus. So we get the answer minus 45, that is the other number. I hope you have understood this. Thank you, students.